Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Devi Fitriana Fadila. I am from Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Today, I would like to present my research topic entitled is the optimization of cofractal micromixer with snowflake structure. Outline in my presentation are introduction, design and method, result and discussion, and conclusion. Clip-on-chip is a device that integrates one of several laboratory functions such as micromixer, micropump, nanosensor, etc. And micromixer focus is our study. For LOC application are biology, chemical, biotechnology, and chemical analysis. And this is advantage for LOC system are miniaturization, portable, short reaction time, and less sample consumption. And for disadvantage are laminar flow condition and difficult to mix because the structure very small. Okay, micromixer fall into two categories are active micromixer and passive micromixer. For active micromixer, using external force are pressure, electromagnetic, electrokinetic, piezoelectric, etc. But this is have disadvantage because difficult to integrate into the LOC system, high fabrication cost, so it is not desirable. For passive micromixer, do not require external force, utilize the geometry structure to produce diffuse chaos protection, easy to integrate on LOC device, and low-cost fabrication. Passive micromixer consists of several categories of lamination, curved channel, convergent-divergent, and obstacle. But for obstacle, have advantage is resistant channel can interface with fluid flow. Okay, this is the previous research. This is rectangular obstacle, curved obstacle, triangle, and rectangular on the wall obstacle. For all research, have mixing efficiency under 0.8. But this is a Tesla obstacle. The resulting for mixing efficiency more than 0.9, but total length is 13 mm. So the structure is not optimum because difficult to apply to the LOC system. For the challenge for this study is the mixing efficiency more than 0.8 and the total length is under 13 mm. Okay, so to solve the previous problem, we did research using the cofractal obstructor. The cofractal is a complex structure, therefore it is effective to increase the mixing efficiency. Next, this is the research method. There are the software we use, namely SolidWorks and COMSOL MultiPhysics. Okay, this is the structure we design. And the first geometry are secondary snowflake fractal micromixer or SSFM. Okay, and this table is parameter we use. NT or the variant of thickness obstacle, the length 0.01 until 0.19 mm. This is the T. And the second structure is tertiary snowflake fractal micromixer or TSFM. Okay, for finite element modeling, the sample is the water with different concentration, and this is the density and dynamic viscosity of the water, and this is the sample concentration. For numerical calculation, we use for a hydraulic diameter to determine the flow velocity from the inlet, Navier-Stokes equation, and the next is mixing efficiency equation. Okay, next, this is the result for SSFM for mixing efficiency at the thickness 0.01 until 0.19 mm at the Reynolds number 0.05 until 100. From this figure, at Reynolds number 0.05 until 1, from this, mixing efficiency is difficult to fully observe. At Reynolds number 0.05 until 100, mixing efficiency more than 0.8. And then, greater the thickness value and higher the mixing efficiency. The best mixing efficiency is at a thickness of 0.18 mm at Reynolds number 0.05. Next, this is the TSFM structure for mixing efficiency at the thickness 0.01 until 0.19 mm at the Reynolds number 0.05 until 100. Same the previous design at Reynolds number 0.05 until 1. Mixing efficiency is difficult to clearly observe, and at a Reynolds number 0.05 until 100, mixing efficiency more than 0.8, greater the thickness value and higher the mixing efficiency. So the factor is due to the contact between the fluid and the obstruction, causing the formation of vortex which can increase chaos, and due to the increase in the incident time of the fluid. Okay, this is the compared by design SSFM and TSFM for mixing efficiency at the thickness 0.18 mm. From this figure, at Reynolds number 15, the small channel is caused by the large value of the blocking thickness, and the fluid velocity at Reynolds number 100 is greater than Reynolds number 15. For the best mixing efficiency, TSFM mixing efficiency around 0.99919 and SSFM around 0.99902. Okay, this is the concentration profile for the base mixing index to TSFM structure at the thickness of 0.18. And this is the color legend. Entry or green color is indicate mixing efficiency homogen. And the sample for concentration profile are Reynolds number 0.05, Reynolds number 15, and Reynolds number 100. At the Reynolds number 0.05, the contact between the two fluids increase the incorrect mixing, and the fluid velocity is low, and the fluids are almost complexly mixing at the outlet. For the Reynolds number 15 and 100, the fluid velocity is higher and chaotic convection is increased by drag. And by Reynolds number 15, the residence time of the fluid in the microchannel is too short. The intensity of the chaotic convection is weaker than Reynolds number 100. Okay, this is the result comparison based on literature. Zhang et al. Study for the same structure and mixing efficiency around 0.95. And this research mixing efficiency this is around more than 0.98. Therefore, our design, there is an increase compared to previous research. And this is conclusion. The best mixing performance was obtained by obstruction structure TSFM with a thickness of 0.18. This design achieved mixing efficiency about 0.99919 at Reynolds number 0.05. The thickness of obstruction linearly influences the mixing performance, where the increase the thickness resulting in higher mixing efficiency. The optimization of micromixer can be obtained by applying the more complex fractal structure with better performance, and the design can be proposed to the development of micromixer integrated into the LOC. For acknowledgement, thank you was supported by funding from the Ministry of Education and Culture Republik Indonesia. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.